Alright Gary, let's take a cruise in a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am.
Alright. Now this one's got the 403 in it, right?
Yep, 403, automatic transmission. It's got the shaker hood up there.
Yeah.
Got tilt wheel, power windows. Black on black, which is cool. It doesn't have the bird and all that stuff on it. You could add that to it. There's a lot of pinstriping that goes on these. Gold, the Pontiac with the gold pinstripes everywhere.
Right, man. That's an appearance package.
Yep, looks pretty good the way it is though. I like it all blacked out. Got the Honeycomb gold wheels on there, snowflakes, and it's got T-tops.
Yep.
That's cool. A little cold to have those up right now, but we're a bunch of crybabies in California when it gets to be 40 degrees.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's got a nice stereo in it.
Yeah, it's got a brand new Pioneer AM, FM, Bluetooth, so you can hook it to your phone. Bluetooth audio.
Slapstick.
Yep, slapstick. Automatic transmission. It's got front power disc brakes. Power steering, of course. Pretty cool looking cars. They're, of course, most well known for Smokey and the Bandit. Yep. But they made all different colors and everything. Black on black, I think, looks the best. They don't have a whole lot of power. This is the state of California. They got to have emissions and stuff on them. But if you buy this and you live in another state, you can bump this thing up a little bit,
Oh yeah, this thing screams the 80s.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Well, it's got 273 ratio. You get on the freeway. I mean, you can go 70 miles an hour all day long, and it's comfortable. So we'll come up here and take some pictures of this bad boy.
All right.
Here's a nice little 79 Pontiac Trans Am. These are iconic cars, man. You see these things going down the road, you instantly think of Smokey and the Bandit or cruising with the T-tops off. Pretty neat car, though. This one's an automatic version with the 403 Oldsmobile motor. Not the most horsepower, but, it goes. Gets up on the freeway, cruises. More of a cruiser. Got the T-tops. That's a nice option. Feels like a convertible when you pop those things off, throw them in the trunk. It's all blacked out. We opted not to put any of the striping on it. You can. It's available. Doesn't cost that much. The bird and everything for the hood. But it kind of looks cool this way. Snowflake wheels on there. Those are new. Got brand new BF Goodrich TA radials on there. The interior has been redone. So seats are fresh. Door panels are in good shape. Even the dash is pretty good shape. Here's all your factory gauges. Got tilt steering wheel. We mentioned earlier it's got the slapstick, kind of like a ratchet shifter from the factory. Power windows. Pretty nice paint too. Nice and shiny. It's got a couple little nose cracks up here. This rubber front ends, they kind of do that. The paint's older on it, so that kind of happens. But overall, really good looking car, fun to drive, and not a bunch of money. Here's the power plant in the 79 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a 6.6 liter, which is the 403 Oldsmobile engine. I don't know why they put Oldsmobile engines in the Pontiacs back then, but they did. Probably more of an emissions thing, but kind of basic, This one's just they got a 4-barrel carburetor on it. It's got the little hood scoop there, power steering, power brakes. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Not bad. They're good little engines. They're not powerhouses these years. You have to get an older car if you want to add a lot of horsepower to it, but you know what? Nice driver, good cruiser. It's got dual exhaust going out the back. Got a nice sound to it. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, if you want to be a proud new owner of a black on black TA, coming out and see us. We're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place in California, and Simi Valley, California. And our phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. It's hanging out in the car over there, and we'd be happy to show you this one. Thanks for watching.